Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is our Sea Ray 270 SDX, powered with the 350 horse Mercury Verado, super fuel efficient, quiet. If you've never heard one of these Mercury Verados run before, you need to take one of these for a test drive and see how pleasant it is to run this boat with this engine on it. Great aft seating area on the 270 SDX. You've got a remote for your stereo, so you don't have to go back to the dash to change the functions on your stereo. You've got a freshwater shower, so when you climb out of the water, rinse that salt water off, get the sand off your feet, whatever you need to do as far as a nice large freshwater tank on this boat. Something about the 27 SDX is the amount of seating that these boats have for a 27 footer. You can fit 3 wide here, 3 over here, 3 over there. Great entertaining boat, great conversation area in the cockpit of this boat. And under all of this, there's always storage. Under that back deck, there's storage. Huge trunk, storage under here, storage under there. You're not going to run out of storage on the 27 SDX. This particular boat has a water sports tower on it. Water sports tower works great if you're pulling wakeboarders, kneeboarders, tubers, any of that kind of stuff. And when you're pulling them, you've got to have a spotter. So there's a nice comfortable seat right here, aft facing, to watch when you're pulling the kids or pulling whoever. So you can keep an eye on them, make sure that they're staying safe. If you're not pulling anybody, you've got a forward facing seat. The starboard side, your captain's chair on here, has a couple of options for seating too. You can stand up and drive, but if you want to sit down for a while, you can sit right on top of that bolster. You've got nice footrest down there. The ergonomics with this boat is great. You want to get a little bit lower, get behind the windshield, put that bolster down, adjust your steering wheel to where you like it. Simrad digital dash. Instead of having a bunch of gauges up here, you've got one nice big gauge with the GPS, all your engine functions, everything is right there. Your fusion is flush mounted into the dash as well. Port side, nice big head. This is a real marine head. You've got a sink down below, you've got storage down below, plenty of room for all your accessories that you're going to need with that. You've got a little glove box on this side, place to throw your wallet, car keys. It's about 95 degrees out here right now, and one thing that's nice about this particular model is these nice white colored seats. They're not a bit warm on the back of my legs. You've got a nice armrest right there, armrest on this side too. Again, seating or storage underneath all of this seating right here. The electric anchor windlass to pull your anchor in for you just completes this whole package. I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call. Let's go over this boat today.